My name is Sri Divan from class 11. Today, we the students of class 11 are present here to perform a debate on modern education and ancient education.
Asian education means learning in a traditional approach or strategy that exists from early civilizations. The Gurukul system is one of the popular Asian systems in which students live with their gurus to learn life skills, philosophy, etc. The main aim of Asian education is shaping responsible discipline and ethics.
It is a structured learning approach practiced in physical schools, virtual classrooms, colleges, and universities in the world. The main aim of modern education is to gain knowledge, learn skills, and grow with technology. Now let us explore the major difference between modern education and ancient education.
In Asian education, the main purpose of Asian education is moral development, character building, and development of life skills.
The main purpose of modern education is student academic excellence and career readiness and innovation.
In ancient education, the learning of environment is near with nature and grew in gurukuls.
Modern education learning environment is structured and diverse. For example, classrooms, science labs, computer labs, and smart classrooms.
In this ancient education, the role of teacher or guru is central authority, mentor, and moral guide. In modern education, act as a facilitator, teacher, plan rules, support independent learning, motivate students, use technology and innovative methods.
The role of a student of ancient education is to become an obedient learner, followers of rules. While in the modern education, the role of a student is becoming active participant, creator, thinker.
In ancient education, the teaching methods are oral tradition, practical work, etc.
While in modern education, the teaching methods are lecture-based activities, project, technology-based learning.
In ancient education, the assessment pattern involves practical demonstration, continuous observation, etc.
The assessment pattern today includes standardized exams, subject-based study, written exams, assignments, and projects.
In ancient education, the values taught here are moral discipline and spiritual values.
The value taught in modern education, freedom, diversity, and global citizenship and innovation.
It is not accessible for everyone. It is limited to gender, particular caste and status people. While there were significant barriers, particularly for lower caste and women's, scholarly indicates the situation was more complex.
Modern education, it promotes equality and inclusivity under RT, Right to Education, scholarship, inclusive education policies.
In Asian education, the curriculum here is personalized, holistic and guru designed.
The curriculum here includes subject-based learning, structured and standardized.
In Asian education, a student lives simple disciplined lifestyle. It includes physical activity, early waking and meditation.
In modern education, students live in a more flexible and diverse lifestyle. It includes extracellular activities, mental well-being.
The ancient education, no existence of technology in education. On the other hand, the modern education system use advanced technologies, for example, smart AI, online classes.
Both Asian education and modern education aims for students' growth and development. By understanding its purpose, value, method and access, students can be differentiate both the terms to prepare students for upcoming challenges.
However, this system has various advantages and the student can implement the combination of both to determine success. Thank you and have a nice day.